Hello, 8th grade. Today we went over chemical properties. Definition for chemical properties is a characteristic of something that allows it to change and become something new. And there's three types, or it includes three things: flammability, which its ability to become flammable or to ignite or burn. Second one is toxicity. Sorry, tongue tied at the end of the day. Been a long day, which means it's toxic. And then the third one is reactivity with oxygen. Now, a good example of this one would be if you were to take the bite of an apple and it's exposed to the air, then you know that that apple where you bit, exposing the meat of the apple is going to turn brown. And that's its indication that it has reacted with oxygen. Just a few examples of chemical properties. We looked at silver and gold has a lower reactivity with other metals, which makes silver and gold good candidates for jewelry. We talked about chlorine and how chlorine is an acid, is used in swimming pools to kill any bacteria or eliminate algae from growing in the pool. We know that when water has an opportunity to sit and become stagnant without any chlorine added to it, that it becomes a breeding ground for insects, mosquitoes, things of that nature. We talked about how chemical properties also involve acids and bases. We looked at that within physical properties, and that would be a physical property. Here we're looking at how those objects or substances react with acids or bases. And we know that acids will corrode. So if you're looking at tomato juice or tomato sauce, which is an acid, if it comes in contact with aluminum foil, then it begins to break down the aluminum foil. Example of a base, a strong base, would be ammonia, and those ammonia fumes, when they are inhaled, will blister or damage the respiratory tract. That's pretty much all we talked about today, and then we transcribe these lecture notes from this lecture into slide 2 of your lecture note Google slide presentation on Google Classroom. So if you'll look at that and take care of that, put them on slide 2, and you can use your imagination, creativity, however you want to put those notes in there, that's fine. All right, guys, if you have any questions, make sure that you email me or send me a private comment through Google Classroom. Bye.